Good morning, boys and girls. I would like to review how to do the social studies research project. You click classwork, go down to social studies research project. These are the instructions. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see a picture of the graphic organizer with your name next to it. Click that picture. Now, when we get here, it's supposed to say open in Google Slides. It is not saying that, so what you have to do is click more actions, which is the three dots in the right corner, open a new window. Ignore that part. So this is what your screen will look like once you click open a new window. If you notice, open with Google Slides comes up on the top. Once you click that, it will take you to Google Slides and you can type into the document. Hello, person's name, Rosa Parks, your name here, Miss Dinsmore, or whoever's typing it. So this is just an example of how to do it. If you have a hard time doing this and prefer to print it or to just copy it on a piece of loose leaf and write down on an actual piece of paper at home, that is totally fine too. Whatever works best for you guys. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions.